And you can see here $1.10 over and over, which is made on Autopilot. All you have to do is just go to... What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get paid $1.10 per click on Autopilot. This is passive income, this is worldwide. I'm also going to announce a giveaway in this video here, so to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you here how you can get paid $1.10 per click or more on Autopilot. This is worldwide, as I said, this is passive income, but first a disclaimer, results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. If you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. And I'm also going to announce a giveaway later in this video, so that is why it is so important for you to watch the whole video here, so you can be one of the lucky one who wins this giveaway. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my I Am Tips. It is related to internet marketing, make money online and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business with this method and a lot more, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. Alright, without further ado, let's get started to see how we can get paid $1.10 per click on Autopilot. Let's go! Alright guys, so first let me just refresh here to show you the proof, and this is, you can see here, $1.10 here, this is all approved, and I'm going to explain actually exactly on how this works. Now this is people that have opted in to an offer, and I'm just going to show you here, this is a private network actually, so I'm not going to go into details, but for those of you that have access to Daily List Profits, which is my course, they can actually participate in this network here. So this is one of the landing pages that they will see, and the next thing that they do here when they click is that they will have to opt in. Every time someone opts in, you are going to get paid $1.10 there. So this is super cool and really easy to make money online with this. Now, if you don't have access to a private network like I have, you can actually just go to Offer Vault here. You can see that I just typed make money online, and you can see the first offers is CPA offers, stands for cost per action, but this is what we are interested in. We want to have lead. Okay, so every time someone opts in here, they do have similar pages. You can see here you can earn $1, 90 cents, 70 cents, and so on there. Okay, so this is for surveys, for example. I'm just going to open it up. I don't know what this is exactly here, but I'm just going to show you. You can see here that this is the page that they will have to see, and all they have to do is opt in with a name and email address, and when they do that, you are going to get paid. So of course you have to join the network here, apply for it and get approved, so you can get your own link there. Alright, let's move on here. Now basically I'm going to draw here a little bit. This is something that I've been preaching for a long time, years now. This is a 3-step formula, has been working and still works. This is the best way to make money on Autopilot, passive income, once you set it up. So of course you do need to set it up a little. It requires effort in the beginning, but once you set it up, you basically, all you have to do is just drive traffic to it. So I'm going to explain to you here exactly everything about this. Okay, so this is my ugly writing here, I'm sorry for it. Okay, so the first thing is that we need to have an offer, and we have already found our offer here, so I showed you it earlier to you. The next step would be that we want to build an email list, okay? I talked about this thousands of times, and this is very, very important. So we need to have something called an opt-in page or a squeeze page, opt-in page, or some people called it also simple landing page. And examples of landing pages, this is the one here. You can see in exchange for the free video, I want you to opt in with your email address. This is another one, free report, and I'm going to show you here on how you can create this kind of free report and videos really super easy here. Here's another one. This is actually what you're going to see if you are going to have a look at my #1 recommendation, which you find right here below. So they all work really simple. This is an exit page, actually, an exit pop-up so that comes up if you are going to try to exit. So it is a second chance to opt in. And basically, you can build this with ClickFunnels, okay? There is a 14-day free trial, and that is why I do recommend it, because this is the easiest and fastest way to get started with this in overall, actually, with the whole process. So I have a link right here below for you if you want to get started with it, 14-day free trial. If you have something else that you can build landing pages, congratulations, go ahead and do that. All right, now we need to build our freebie, our opt-in that we are going to give away. And we can do that really simple, because you can go to a page like this, which is master-resale-rights.com, and they do have tons of PLR offers, okay? It stands for private label rights. So you can see here that for $10 you can actually get a video course, a complete video course and ebook, okay? So I would go for something, let's say for example this list building catapult, for example. So you can actually give away the whole course if you want to, or you can do it in a sequence. It doesn't matter. What I do recommend is that you're going to get a new name and a new cover, okay? So people won't discover that it is actually a PLR. And also make sure that you can rewrite the report a little bit, make it a little bit of unique there. So there you have your free report, and when it is done, you are going, of course, to have it uploaded so people, when they're going to opt in, they can receive it. All right, the next step would be that we need to have an autoresponder, because we don't want to sit there 24 hours. We want these to be run on autopilot, and that is why there is autoresponders. Now, Aweber is my #1 go-to recommendation. I've been working with almost all the autoresponders that is available out there. This gets my #1 recommendation to get started with. They have one of the best delivery rates, so I don't want you to be to actually experiment, okay? Just go ahead. They do have actually 30-day free trial, okay? You won't be disappointed. So when you have set it up correct, you should have a follow-up sequence. This means that people are going to receive emails here. You can see here that this is my email sequence for one of my lists, actually, for my IM tips. And the first one is the thank you, so they can download the report here. The next one goes one day after, and I have set up sequence for 17 days. Then I start to send broadcast emails. So if we have a look here at the drawing, people, when they do opt in, they're going to see the offer. But if they don't purchase anything, if they don't opt in, now the cool thing is that we have the email subscriber here, and we have our sequence, so we can promote other offers as well. And this is exactly what I did. So I'm just going to show you real quick here. This is my ClickBank account. You can see here I had 276, 74, 78, 160. So these are all from the exact same formula that I share with you here, okay? I just set up a follow-up sequence, and all I had to do is drive traffic here. Now, you do need, of course, to have something called a rotator, and you do need to track also. So for that, ClickMagick is my #1 recommendation, and you're going to find a link below here so you can actually have it 14-day free trial to this too. So you can get started with all these that I shared so far almost free, all right? All you have to do is actually buy the free report, a PLR product or something. And if I go back here, we need to have the rotator. So let me explain here a little bit of how a rotator works. Offer 3, offer 4. Now, here is how I set this up. So this is a rotator as I showed you earlier here. And what I do is when I send the email, when someone opens, they're going to see offer number 1. The next day, they're going to see offer number 2 when they click the link. The next day, they're going to see offer number 3. And the next day, they're going to see offer number 4. So this is how a rotator works. You can set up as many as you want. I usually set up about 7 to 10 offers. Then it will go up again to the top there. So that is how it works, okay? All totally on Autopilot as I explained earlier here. Now what is left here is actually the final thing, and that is traffic, okay? So you have everything set up here and all you have to do is drive traffic. And of course you can do it with many ways. People do recommend you for social media, YouTube and so on. Basically, I would recommend you to, if you want to go to the make money online niche, even if you don't have any experience, to go for solo ads. Because this is exactly what I've been doing with this. People say it doesn't convert. I say they do. If you do know where you're buying your traffic from, if you buy from traffic source that converts, and of course to set this up correct. So this is exactly what I've been doing lately. I haven't done anything at all, any efforts at all lately, but only just purchased traffic. So let me go ahead and show you here. Yuramai is actually one of the most popular recommendations because it is a trusted source. There is a lot of vendors here, but you need to actually sort it out a little bit here, okay? So you can go to find sellers, for example. You can go and set up for a maximum price. Let's say that you want to go for 60 cents. Here is something, got sales, see only sellers who have generated sales for customers on 100 latest solos. I would set this actually to 30% and above, so you can get started to see here a little bit on some vendors. Now, look at this, for example. He has a lot of buyers, a lot of orders actually that has been in the past here. Wilfred, I know this guy, for example. So you can get started here to search for it, all right? But this is a good indicator because if they have sales, they have buyers in the list, and that means that it will convert for you easier. Now another thing could be actually that you check out the solo deals. And Tim is the guy that I do recommend 110%. I have bought from him in the past, and look at this, he has 6,000 orders. It's no coincidence, okay? People buy from him because it does convert, okay? And look at this, 32% on 6,000 orders. I mean, this is insane, all right? One negative rating, over 2,663 plus ratings here. So it definitely is a sure bet, all right? And one thing that I also have mentioned in the past is where I got my traffic from. And this is actually Traffic Blade. I've been talking about this traffic source in the past. Now you can go, of course, to Yuramai, or you can go here. I have also shared a 10% discount here. If you're going to find a link also in at the bottom here for this offer as well. So this is you can see my testimonial, quality traffic that converts. So I've been buying traffic here on a consistent basis from this source, and it does convert, okay? Just keep in mind that every single day is not equal. One day it might not convert, the next day it might get you a crazy conversion, all right? So you do need to buy more than just 50 or 100 clicks there. You do need to test again, you do need to test the offer, you do need to test your page. Everything is about testing in marketing. Keep that in mind also. So that is how more or less this works. The whole process here on how you can get started to get paid $1.10 per click on Autopilot, or a lot more. Alright, so basically I'm gonna announce my giveaway here also, and the giveaway is going to be my course, which is Daily List Profits, and this is exactly what I have been talking about in this video, but I explain everything in detail in a step-by-step tutorials. So you're going to find everything about this, and also the private network that I had here. Here are some testimonials that I'm scrolling down. You're going to get totally free access. And how you do it is, as I said, you do need to like the video, you do need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you also comment the word passive right here below. In the next video, I'm going to take a random comment picker, and we are going to randomly pick a winner that are going to get access to Daily List Profits, so you can get started to make your $100 per day. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. And make sure you also check out my other Make Money Online video recommendation there. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.